Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can cancel your orders in Amazon Shopping in 2026. So to cancel your items and orders, basically we're talking here about physical items or orders that hasn't been entered in the shipping process yet. This page will help you how you can cancel it. So about canceling an item, you can cancel items forfeited by Amazon or shipped and sold by Amazon that haven't entered the shipping process. Orders sold and shipped by a third-party seller and can typically be cancelled within one business day. And once an order is fulfilled, sellers are required to approve cancellation. To cancel an order that has not entered the shipping process, follow these steps. As you can see, you need to go to your orders. So simply click on your account, go to your orders, and here you will find all different type of orders. Select the items that you want. So for example, here I'm gonna select this item, click on cancel, click check the box, and then cancel selected items in this order. So simply just find the order that you want to cancel and select view or edit order, select cancel items, then check the box of item that you want to cancel from the order. To cancel the entire order, select all the items, choose a reason for the cancellation, and select request cancellation. So cancellation confirmation, after submitting the cancellation, they will send you a confirmation message to the email address on your account. For a history of your cancelled orders, visit your orders under cancelled orders. So you can go here, and basically once you have enough orders, you will have a section where there is cancelled orders. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like. If you do have any more questions about Amazon shipping, make sure to leave us comments down below in the comment section. We would like to know about your problems so we can find them solutions in the next upcoming videos. With that being said, thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.